The silent orbital score is not a system of static arrangement, but one that redefines the informational field through the dynamic interplay of vibration, structure, and resonance. Each verse does not exist as an isolated informational unit, but as a dynamic coordinate situated at the intersection of a frequency layer and a vibrational axis. This coordinate is never fixed, it constantly wavers and responds to others, generating nonlinear chains of interaction. Within this, an integrated understanding of time, dimension, and memory is implicitly constructed. The frequency layers represent the gradations of consciousness depth and density of being, expressing the dynamic unfoldment of consciousness from zero to crystallization. Divided into 5 layers: 0, subtle vibration, symbol, vocalization, spatiotemporal unfoldment, and crystallization, the frequency layers act as a ladder bridging the inner depth of consciousness and its linkage to external structures. The vibrational axes indicate the directions of resonance penetrating each layer, representing 4 streams of conscious movement. The inward axis, bringing integration through descent, silence, and contemplation. The outward axis, carrying the propagation of waves. The vertical axis, realizing inter-layer integration through spiral transformation. The horizontal axis, enabling the construction of a whole network through simultaneous multidimensional connection. The choice and orientation of these axes determine the vibrational effect and symbolic function of each verse. A verse, positioned at the intersection of a layer and an axis, is thus a dynamic bi-axial matrix resonating while in flux. Each verse exists not as a fixed point but as a vibrating coordinate. Inter-layer movement through frequency modulation and inter-axis movement through directional shifts proceed simultaneously, forming nonlinear chains. At the final layer, all 4 axes intersect, and through the integrating code that binds all frequency layers, a multidimensional order is realized as a single resonance. The silent orbital score acts as a catalyst that transforms memory from static accumulation into a dynamic resonance field. Inter-layer resonance integrates symbol, sound, structure, time, and silence. Inter-axis resonance reconnects memory with the structures of consciousness. Nonlinear transformation enables a flexible, spiral reconfiguration of information, free from conventional time, dimension, and external centrality. Through the understanding of this dynamic bi-axial matrix, one acquires a multidimensional perspective, cultivating a resonance-based comprehension that opens possible structures of the future. With the simultaneous understanding of structure, vibration, and resonance, the totality of consciousness operation can be apprehended. This functions as the resonance catalyst for the stellar code.